Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful flexi-rod set, then keep watching. So the product that I'm using today is Cantu's Maximum Hold Strengthening Styling Gel with Jamaican black castor oil. I'm starting off with freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. I'm remoisturizing my hair because it's been wrapped in a t-shirt for about an hour or so. I then apply my gel, I smooth my hair with my shower brush, and then I begin. So the fact that I'm using a gel to do a flexi-rod set is pretty random for me because I normally use foaming mousses and setting lotions, but I just thought this is the very first time I'm using this product, and instead of doing like a wash and go, twist out, braid out, I just thought I'd do something different. What do you use for your roller sets? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the results, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.